Hey everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb, and it's that time of year. Most of the stuff is kind of done, dead, dying, or just not producing anymore. And so I'm going to clean up the garden space so that I can already start planning for next year. Plus I think somewhere in here is where the garlic is supposed to go. And so I need to prepare the ground. I think we still have some potatoes somewhere down here from a rando potato. The peas didn't really come in this year, and so I can take down the structure, get rid of sugar snaps. The only thing that we still kind of have is the green beans. I still have a little bit on them, and then the carrots. Other than that, there's 2 zucchini plants over there, but everything else is on the compost over there. And you can garden the whole year. I'm not much of a whole year gardener yet. I'm starting to get there where I'm doing more and more. But this is just kind of one of my favorite parts of the wrap-up season, when you get to get everything clean and then you can kind of relax and have this nice fresh look before the kind of cold time gets in. Plus we'll have more space to move around everything. So let's listen to some good music and then get this done. All right.